Hello ClickChauffeur community, today I'm going to show you how to add a contact phone number to your ClickChauffeur account. Having a contact phone number on your profile will indeed ensure your clients can easily reach you for any queries or special requests. Let's dive right into the ClickChauffeur dashboard. In the top right corner, click on My Account. Then find the field labeled Phone. Enter your contact phone number. Make sure it's a number your clients can reach you at easily. Then you need to fill in your passwords so you can update the changes and save. Done. We've successfully added a contact phone number to your ClickChauffeur account. This small addition ensures your clients can always reach you, improving communication and customer satisfaction. Remember, being easily reachable builds trust with your clients. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Keep your communication lines open and your clients happy.